Hello everyone, I am Rajendra Ashok Deshmukh. Today's date is 7 April 2022. Today's our Viva topic is what is OPS and explain it. OPS stands for Object Oriented Programming Language. Object is a real world entity. Some example of object is pen, fan, table. Object-oriented programming language are the methodology or paradigm to use to design program used in a class and object. There are some important concepts of OPS. First is object, second is class, third is inheritance, fourth is polymorphism, fifth is encapsulation, and sixth is abstraction. That we can see these details of concept. First we can see object. Object is a real world entity. The entity having such an attribute is known as object. Objects are declared inside a instance class. Object contain address and take some memory. Second is class. The collection of object is known as class. Class is a blueprint of method. Third is inheritance. The object acquires the properties and behavior of parent object is known as inheritance. It is used to code reusability and it provides runtime polymorphism. Fourth is polymorphism. One task are performed by many ways is known as polymorphism. In Java, there are method overloading and overriding are used to achieve polymorphism. Next we can see the real life example of polymorphism. To convince the customer is the real life example of polymorphism. Fifth point is abstraction. The hiding of internal information and showing functionality is known as abstraction. The real life example of abstraction is phone call. Phone call is the real life example of abstraction because we don't know the internal process of phone call. Sixth last is encapsulation. Encapsulation is the binding or wrapping code into data together single unit is known as encapsulation. The real life example of encapsulation is capsules. Capsule is the example of real life encapsulation. It contains medicines. Is this all of important OPS concept I have said? There is 6. Next we can discuss the advantages of OPS, object oriented programming concept. First is troubleshooting is easier in a object oriented programming language. It uses code reusability. Third is productivity. Fourth is productivity. Fourth is reusability. Is this all advantages of OPS concept? and I have said all the concept of ops and advantages. Thank you everyone for watching and listening this video. Today our Viva topic is explain ops concept.